Welcome back, friends. Now I shall show the two buttons under this text, and I shall also show the image here over the right side because I am working over this section, platform section. So I come back to my code editor. In the end of previous video, I made this p tag. This p tag was made. So now I come under it and I make a button tag, button start and button close. And I assign it a class btn space btn dash success green button, btn dash lg mean large button, data dash toggle is equal to model, data dash target, this id register dash model. I would like to show this id in header.php, this id, because when anybody will click over, he will be sent to sign up box model, register model or sign up model, box model, join now. When anybody will click over, join now, this text, because it is inside the button. Now I have made an anchor tag, anchor start and close of contact.php. This page will be made later on when I will start my work over PHP. And now I have just given it is link here, contact.php. Class btn space btn dash outline dash primary. btn dash lg. I write here contact us. So now I come out of closing div of call md6. This is the closing div, call md6 mb3 ends. So under it I have made one more div start and div close. And I assign it a class call md6, call md6 starts, call md6 ends. Now I go to my computer and I go to downloads for getting the image. I click over images, I get this image, I copy it and I come back to C, XAMPP, htdocs, freelance and this images which is inside the freelance. So I paste that image here. Now I go back to freelance and I go back to my code editor. Here I shall make the img tag for displaying the image, img space src is equal to double cast. This is the image name, platform dash image dot jpg. It is extension. I assign it a class img dash fluid, round it. Now I go to my browser and I refresh this. So friend, now you can see that these two buttons are showing but image is not showing here. So there will be some problem. I come back to, if first I click over join now, then that box, this sign up box should be shown because I have given it is link here. I click over join now, so this box is showing. It means it is working accurately. And if I click over contact us, then I have not made contact.php page, so it will be no object found should be shown. I click over contact us, so no object not found. So these two buttons and this text is okay, but image is not showing. I come back to my code editor. Actually images folder I did not write the folder name here. This was a mistake. So I come back and I refresh this page again. So now image is also showing, but this section is still to be stylized because it is not showing same like this one. So now I will stylize this section. I come back to my code editor and I go to style.css. Here I make the comment first. Platform section styles. First I call this class dot platform dash section. I show you this class in home.php, and in the beginning of this section this class has been given platform dash section. Padding 60 pixel, padding bottom 60 pixel, background color hash fa semicolon to close, border dash top 1 pixel solid, and this number hash f5 and semicolon to close, border bottom 1 pixel solid, hash d2 and semicolon to close. Platform dash section h3. Now this h3 which is inside this class, this one, font weight 300, font size 20 pixel, platform dash section p. This psap paragraph tag is inside this section class. I show you when this one is margin 0 from top, 0 from right, and 35 pixel from bottom. Font size 18 pixel, line height 1.6. Now I go to my browser and I refresh this page. So friend, now this image and this text, everything is looking okay. So this section has been completed till now. If I take you to the demo thing, now under it there is a new section, top featured proposals. So in next video I shall come back and I shall make this top featured proposal sections. This will be the last section of this home.php page, and then footer will be started after creating this section. So I see you in next video.